Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I know you guys are kind of like, what's going on, Kim? Why is your hair black, Kim? Even though I know you guys already saw like the thumbnail. So before we get into this video, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on the bell as well. And if you like this video already, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Now let's get into this video. Today is a big day. By the way, I used the Camille Rose Coconut Water Co-Wash, which worked really well. It was so hydrating. I really do love that. I am going to review that entire line once I wash this out. But yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to start with half of my hair first and then move on to the other side. I haven't had black hair in so long, you guys, so I am curious to see how that's gonna turn out. So for my leave-in, I'm gonna be using the Coconut Water Leave-In by Camille Rose. I think other people use like stylers and stuff, but because this hair paint wax defines my curls so well just by itself, I don't really need to do all that extra stuff. All right, so I am going to be using the black hair paint wax to temporarily dye my hair black. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take that. If you see my other hair, or if you've seen hair paint wax videos, period, then you know that it's pretty much self-explanatory. You just take some, rub it, and then apply it to your hair. Now, since I've been natural and have had my hair blonde for quite some time, whenever I see somebody with like black hair, it just always looks so like healthy and moisturized and shiny. And then my hair be like over here all dry and frizzy. Like for me, black hair doesn't show as much as your like flaws than like if you have like bleached hair or colored hair. So excited! So different. Y'all, you see how good like this freaking makes my hair look? All right, so this is one side done, and that only took me like 8 minutes. So this stuff is pretty easy to do. I still can't believe this. Alright guys, this is the final look, and I have a feeling for some reason that it's gonna turn like greenish black for some reason. First thoughts, I look so different. It actually makes me look older, which is pretty weird. It makes my face look way brighter though. Wow, I look so much older with black hair. You guys let me know if you guys like this. Like how black looks on me. I mean, obviously it's like my natural hair color, but I haven't had it like this in a while. So I just kind of wanted to see how it was gonna look. So I'll come back once it's fully dry, either today or tomorrow. So I just went to the bathroom to try and clean up, and look what I just noticed, y'all. So this is definitely more messier than the freaking other colors, just because you can see it on your skin. So gotta keep that in mind. Just make sure it's 100% dry before you put on some clothes that you don't want to ruin. Not saying that it will ruin your clothes, because it does rinse out like immediately, but just keep that in mind. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then I posted that I was going to be trying out a new hair paint wax color. So that is what this is. This is not permanent. This is, I can just rinse this out. I've been wanting to try black hair for a while now. I mean, obviously that's my freaking natural hair color, but I've been like pretty much blonde for like, I don't know, as long as I can remember. So with black hair, I just feel like your hair just looks so much healthier, and I just wanted to see how I would look with it. I did just put this scarf on just to kind of like, I was trying to pull my hair back while I was doing my makeup, but it kind of actually looks cute with this. But I'm gonna take it down so you guys can get the full effect of what, okay, what a hater. So this is my hair with the hair paint wax on it. So there is one thing that I want to say about this black hair paint wax is that it transfers a lot, like even by just like going like this. When you guys look at my hands after I'm finished like fluffing my hair, you're gonna see how much freaking black residue comes off of your hair, and because it's black, of course it's gonna show. I'm not so sure if it's gonna transfer to my clothes yet. I've mainly been wearing like black shirts and dresses and stuff, so I can't really tell. So I'm kind of scared to wear this. But yeah, I really do like it. I like how black looks on me. It does make me look a little bit older in my opinion, but it's already kind of starting to fade. I'm sure you guys can see. You can probably really see in the back. But yeah, I'm loving this temporary black hair color. I just look so different, and my hair looks so much better. Like, I don't know what it is about black hair. I just love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would like to see me try another color, I did buy another one. So if you guys would like to see that, then make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. And guess what color it's gonna be? Can't tell you guys. Hint, hint, it has to do with Halloween. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you guys. Bye.